Owerri, the capital city of Imo State, is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful and charming cities in eastern Nigeria, a place where nature's grace blends perfectly with modern development. Often called the heartland of the East, Owerri is a city that captivates visitors with its lush greenery, orderly road networks, warm hospitality, and serene relaxation spots that make it stand out among Nigeria's urban destinations. From the very moment you drive into Owerri, you are welcomed by the sight of beautifully planted trees that line the major roads, swaying gently in the breeze and adding to the city's natural charm. The city planners and residents have paid special attention to beautification, ensuring that flowers bloom gracefully in strategic corners, creating an environment that is both refreshing and pleasing to the eyes. The lush greenery is not just limited to the roadside. It extends into estates, gardens, and public areas, giving the city an enviable atmosphere of freshness that many fast-paced cities often lack. Owerri is also blessed with an impressive road network. Its streets and highways are well structured, linking different parts of the city with ease and elegance. Roundabouts are often adorned with stunning landscaping, flowers, and artistic monuments that reflect both cultural heritage and modern creativity. Driving through Owerri is not only convenient, but also a visual delight, as the beauty of the environment makes every journey enjoyable. The city has in recent years become a model of urban renewal in eastern Nigeria, with its roads serving as shining examples of development done with foresight. Another striking feature of Owerri is its numerous relaxation spots. Known as a city that never lacks energy, Owerri is home to some of the best lounges, recreational centers and parks in the region. Whether you are a visitor looking for a serene place to unwind or a resident in need of a weekend escape, Owerri provides endless options. The city's hotels and resorts are among the finest in the country, offering world-class hospitality that leaves guests with unforgettable experiences. From luxury accommodations to cozy guest houses, the hospitality industry in Owerri is second to none, ensuring comfort and relaxation for everyone who visits. The warmth and friendliness of the people also add to the city's charm. Owerri is a city of open arms, where hospitality flows naturally. Visitors often speak of the welcoming spirit of the people, who treat strangers as friends and ensure that they feel at home. This blend of hospitality and natural beauty is one of the reasons Owerri remains a favorite destination for tourists, business travelers, and families alike. its relaxation spots, Owerri is also home to some of the best residential estates in Nigeria. One of these estates has gained recognition as one of the finest in the entire nation, showcasing architectural brilliance, modern infrastructure, and exquisite landscaping. These estates are more than just residential areas. They are communities built with elegance, safety, and comfort in mind. They reflect Owerri's rising status as a city of class and excellence, where modern living meets cultural depth. Owerri is also a city rich in flowers and natural decoration. Gardens are carefully maintained. Public spaces are adorned with bright, colorful blooms, and even street medians burst forth with beauty. These flowers not only beautify the city, but also give it a fresh, calm, and soothing atmosphere that makes visitors want to stay longer. Owerri is truly a garden city in every sense of the word. Beyond its physical beauty, Owerri is a hub of culture and relaxation. The city has earned a reputation as the entertainment capital of the East, with vibrant nightlife, cultural festivals, and events that keep the city alive. Yet amidst all this vibrance, Owerri still maintains its calm and peaceful nature, making it a perfect blend of energy and serenity. Everywhere you turn in Owerri, beauty and hospitality meet you. From the carefully planted trees that shade the walkways, to the modern hotels that dot the city, from the fine estates that redefine luxury, living to the flowers that breathe life into the environment, Owerri presents itself as a city carefully crafted by nature and nurtured by human vision. It is a city where visitors not only come to see, but also to feel. A city that speaks to the soul with its greenery, serenity, and warmth. Owerri is indeed a jewel in Nigeria's crown. With its lush greenery, beautiful trees, stunning road networks, vibrant flowers, luxurious relaxation spots, exceptional hospitality, and one of the best estates in Nigeria, the city has earned its rightful place as one of the most beautiful and welcoming urban centers in the country. Anyone who visits Owerri leaves with the memory of a city that is not just seen but experienced, an unforgettable mix of beauty, culture, and hospitality.